Kind regard everybody, teacher, classmate. My name is Jimmy Mauricio. In this video, I'm going to develop the task number 7. And let's start with the recording. In order to begin, let's start the number 1. Ready? Let's get started. Emotions are states or feelings that often intense, last for only a short time, as clearly direct, are caused by someone or something circumstance. Positive emotion include joy, pride, relief, love, and confession. We must share positive and generally to others, but always try to be positive and cheerful. Negative emotions include anger, anxiety, fear, guilt, shame, sadness, envy, and disgust. Let's get started with the second part, minimal parts. Cat, bat, white, wise, right, road, kite, night, take, stick, cow, cut, pin, bean, tear, peel, teach, pitch, day, pay, dig, pick, deer, pure, duck, back, date, bait, pour, cold, tour, pull, take, cake, coat, coat, town, ground, tie, guy, tap, gap, to, go, tack, gag, table, gable, thing, ping, tail, fail, ton, fun, thick, big. Third part. Statement with what stress. She works. We wrote. It stopped. Statement with two stress. Tom is ready. Mike is sleeping. The car stopped. The weather was changed. Statement with three stress. Children like to play. The boys reading a book. The weather is going to change. Statements with four stress. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her students a history. Statements with five stress. Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you bought yesterday. Special question following intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly interest, politeness, rising intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where had you been? General question, rising intonation. Had you read this book? Had you read this book? Had you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request rising intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Or I speak to Michael, please. Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative question, rising and falling intonation. You will come back at 5 or at 6. Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? That question falling on rising intonation. You don't know them, do you? They haven't, for it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? Commands falling intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Request rising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentences, falling intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address rising intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating rising intonation. I brought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencil. Response, I can, she is, he will, you should, I can't, he didn't. Okay, thanks. God bless you. This is all. Thanks for watching and God bless you. Bye bye.